we're going to jump into a PDF fill demo. Over here, I am logged into the Anvil kind of demo account, currently in the document template space. But to start, we're going to go over to the settings. And you'll see here, there's API settings, and these are the API keys. For the security people out there, don't worry, we will be rotating these keys after this call today. So what you want to do is you want to copy the key, and I'm going to use Postman to demonstrate this today. So I'm going to go back to document templates. This is the sample template, and I'm just going to switch tabs over to Postman. So in Postman, I want to go over to our authorization, and I'm going to put in our key. Postman will handle the base 64 encryption, encoding of it and everything. So we just need to put it in there. And then I want to toggle over to the body, and I'm just going to delete that for now. Coming into here, I'm switching over to the API tab. You'll notice there's a couple of pieces of information here that's really useful. We have the template ID. That's a unique identifier for this specific template. And then a fill API URL. This is the URL that you will use to fill out the PDF in a RESTful manner. We're just going to copy that. One thing you'll notice is that the template ID is the very end of this URL. So very easy to construct one of these if you would like. Coming over here, I'm just going to put that into the URL here. Again, switching back to here, you'll notice there's an example payload. I'm just going to copy the example payload. This is auto-generated based on the field type information. You can edit this if you'd like, and we can definitely do that inside of Postman. Put that here. Why don't we go ahead and say, instead of Robin Smith, we're going to say Joe Schmo and Joe test at example.com, just to change up some of the information in here. So you can see that I'm actually filling out this PDF, and then I'm going to hit send. Oh no, of course, live demo. Let's see what's happened here. Cannot get a response. There we go. I think that was just a fleeting error. But yeah, so the PDF has been generated. You'll notice that there's a demo kind of watermark here at the top left because I'm using the development key. You'll notice down here it says Joe Schmo, Joe test at example.com, and then the rest of the information was the provided information. This is a multi-page. It shows various types of fields in Anvil, including an image field. All this can be filled out. So if we go down here, you'll notice that like the image field is actually just a URL to an image that was passed in. Cool. So that is PDF fill, very simple. One thing to note about PDF fill is that it is a synchronous request. You make the request, we stream the PDF back to you. It's a very fast request. That's why we're able to do that. I know other services, they often do it as an async request. They trigger the process, and then when it's done, it calls back to your system. Anvil is synchronous, just simply because we have the performance to do that. So that's PDF filling, very easy. We just took a template, dropped in some data, and filled it out. This is just a standard JSON payload that you can generate from your database to put it onto a PDF.